Good morning, children. Page number 90. Semester 2, page number 90. Page number 19, no, children. Last class we did 8 sums. Today I am going to give 8 sums. That is page number 91. Page number 91, I will do some children now. Page number 91. Last class we did 8 sums. Now see the textbook, children, like this. This side 8 sums is there now. That I am doing now. 100 tens ones. 6 5 into 5. 100 tens ones. 4 6 into 2. 2 children. Understood? Now 100 tens ones. 7 2 into 7. 100 tens ones. 48 into 6. Open your textbook, children. Page number 91. See the sums direct now. Now I am going to start the multiplication, children. Which tables we have to say? 5 5 the 25. 25 is 2-digit number. 5 will written here. 2 will carry to tens place. 5 6 are first these 2 you want to multiply. You will get 25. 5 you write here. 2 carry to tens column. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 32. 32. 32 is also 2-digit number. 2 you write here. 3 you carry to hundreds place. After that, bring down. 325. Now 6 2s are 2 6 are 12. 2 1 carry to tens column. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 92. Here no number, so you don't write number, children, here. Here 7 2s are 14. 4 1, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 7 7s are 49 plus 50, 0, 5, 504. Understood, children? 504. Now next, 6 sides are how much, children? 48. 48 means 4, 8 you write here, 4. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 8, 28, 2, bring here 2. Now next line. $74 into 7. $74 into 7. 100 tens ones. 37 into 8. 100 tens ones. 38 into 9. 100 tens ones. 53 into 6. Now see, children. 7 4s are how much? 28. 8 you write here. 2 carry to tens column. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2. 49 50. 51. 1 you write here. 5. 518. Now next. 8 7s are 56. 6 you write here. 5. 8 3s are how much, children? Okay, now sorry, 8 3s are 8 6 8. Say 3 1s are 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 20, 24, 24 plus 5, 9, 29, 2, 296. Now 9 8s are 72. 9 threes are, here 8 threes are 29, 24, no. Now 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 4 you write here, 3. 342. Now 6 threes are 18. 8. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31. 318. Understood, children? We finished page number 91. Now we will go to multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Page number 91 only with carrying. Now we are doing sums. This is example. Example sum you don't write in the textbook, children. You write in the rough note. Finish it neatly. We'll go to multiplication of 3-digit number and 1-digit number with 1-digit number. With carrying, we are doing multiplication of a 3-digit number. Multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Example first, 1. First we want to arrange the sum, children. Multiply by 142 by 4. See, this is 3-digit number, this is 1-digit number. You want to multiply by 4. This number you want to multiply by 4. First you want to arrange 100. 3-digit means 100. Tens once you will write 1, 4, 2. Multiplication by 4. With carrying we are doing the sums. Now see, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. 6 we will write here, 1 we will carry to hundreds column. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5, 568. First you want to arrange the number, children. This is first step, this is second step, this is 3-digit number, 1-digit number. After we will do the multiplication, we will get 568. See, first point is write 8 ones unders ones place. You want to write 8 unders ones place. Multiply the digit tens place by 4. 4 4 the tens place. So first you want to multiply. You will get 16. 16 is 2 place. 16 is 2-digit number. No, children. Here ones, here tens. 6 you write in here. In 1 you write in the hundreds place. So 100 plus 6 tens equals 60. 100 plus 6 tens, 116. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5. 568. Now example 2. $205. 215 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 you carry to tens place. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 2s are 6. 645. Now example 3. 234 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 2 balance. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. 1. 5 2s are 10. 11. 1170. Sorry children, that is 3. So if we multiply by 3, you will get here 3 you want to write. 3 4s are 12. 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 1 you carry to hundreds column. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 702. Now we will go to page number 93. Exercise number 6. I'll give 2 minutes to write in the rough note, children. Finish it neatly. Exercise number 6. Multiply. First one, 100 tens 1. Here 172. Hundred tens 1. $215 multiply by 4. To 317 multiply by 3. 117 multiply by 117. 5. Now listen properly, children. With carrying, we are doing sums now. With carrying. With carrying 3 plus 2. Sorry. 3 2s are, this is multiplication sign now, children. So we want to do multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 21 is 2-digit number. 1 you write here. 2 you write here. In hundreds column, take to hundreds column to write 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 how much, children? 5. So answer is 516. Yeah, second sum. 4 5s are 20. 0 you write here. 2 carry to tens column. 4 1s are. First you want to multiply ones column. After that you got to tens column. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 4 2s are 8. 860. Now here 3 7s are 21. 2 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 3 3s are 9. 5 7s are 35. 3 5 1s are 5. 6 7 8. 5 1s are 5. 585. Next line we will do, children. First 4 we write neatly. Sharp your pencil when you are writing. Now I shall erase. Now we will go to second line. Second line, 224 multiplied by 3. $246 multiplied by 3. $163 multiplied by 6. 138 multiplied by 7. By 7. Now we'll go start from 3 4s are 12. 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 2s are 6. Now here second sum, 3 6s are, say the table, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. 18, 8 you write here, 1 you carry to 10's column, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 4, sorry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 6 3s are 18. 6 6s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9. Here 7 8s are. 7 8s are how much, children? 56. 5. 7 3s are. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 20. 21 plus 5, 26. 7 ones are 7, 9, 966. Second line over. Now we will go to third line. Write neatly, children. Shall I rub now? Go to third line, 453. 453 multiplied by 2. 307 multiplied by 3. 264 multiplied by 3. 262 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That's it. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 10 is 2-digit number. So 0 you write here. 1 you carry to hundreds column. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 906. Now here 3 7s are 21. 1 you write here. 2 carry to tens column. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 3s are 9. 921. Now next, 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 6s are 18, 18 plus 1, 9, 3 2s are 6, 692, 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18, 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 786. Now fourth line. Now fourth line, 127 multiply by 3. 125 multiplied by 4. 137 multiplied by 171 multiplied by 5. Now listen here. 3 sevens are 21. 2 right here. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 ones are 3. 4 fives are 20. 2. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 500. Now next, 3 sevens are 21. 2, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 you carry to hundreds column, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 411, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 35, 3 you write here, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 855. Now we finish page number 93, no children. Next class I will do page number. We finished the 93 page number. Next class we will do 94. Now close your textbook. Take homework note. Homework note, children. Open your homework note. Maths homework. Go to fresh page. Write neatly. Now multiplication of without carryover. Homework is first line you write neatly, children. Multiplication. See, after the red line, first line you want to write multiplication. Sorry, children, multiplication. One, multiply the following. Multiply the following. Multiply the following. First sum. Tens 1. 1, 2 into 4. Write neatly, children. Leave one line. After that, write the 1 tens. Write number 2-digit number and multiply by 4. First sum over note. Second sum. Then now here 1, 0 multiplied by 5. Third one 42 multiplied by 2. Fourth sum 33 multiplied by 3. See, this is the homework, children. Multiply the following 2 digit with 1 digit without carry over. So you can do first you want to multiply ones column. After that you go to tens column and write the answer neatly. Understood, children? This is the homework. 4 sums. 4 sums. You want to do the sums homework, children? Next class, I will go to page number 94. Page number 94, another 8 sums. Everyday max also is there. We will finish in the next class. Thank you, children.